Hey y'all, it's time to take down all the pink petunias and switch everything out for fall. And I decided I would just film some of it and show you how I did it. But first I'll show you one of my favorite garden centers. It's called Wilson's Farm and it's in Pottsboro, Texas. They have so much there, and whatever they do have, they have large volumes of, so you can always buy as much as you need. Look at these beautiful pansies. They have several greenhouses, and I love to just stick my head in and look and see what they have coming and what they're growing in there. They have lots of ornamental cabbage and ornamental kale. And all the chrysanthemums. And of course pumpkins. They have lots of pumpkins. I think I should get this one. This looks pretty unique. Besides the pumpkin, this is what I came home with. I'm really looking forward to planting all these, but first I want to give the front porch a really good cleaning. I'm just using regular dish soap here. It was also time to pull up all my zinnias. I just love them, but it was time for them to go. Getting all the cobwebs down and washing the windows always just helps really make the porch sparkle. We have new energy efficient windows throughout the house except for the front windows. I'm so glad because these old windows have so much character. Sometimes when I'm out here and it's quiet, I often wonder about the original owners back in 1930. Who were they? And who was the person who stood where I'm standing and cleaned and cared for these windows? You can see the mark on the glass where it was blown, so I know these are really old windows. This pot is where I had my little lime hydrangea planted, but it died, unfortunately. It was so pretty, and then it just started dying one branch at a time. So I took it out, and I decided just to plant some pansies there. You can see my drip lines here. I have this tapped into a line down in the flower bed, and so it just automatically gets watered. I'm going to go over this in great detail in the spring. I have pretty much everything on a drip system, and it just automatically gets watered, so I don't have to worry about it, and everything really thrives that way. This vinca is beyond ready to be pulled out, but I am going to leave the ivy. It's kind of slow growing, and as long as I have it in a pot, I think it's fine. I do believe that English ivy is pretty invasive, but I think it looks really pretty trailing down from the pot, so I'll just leave it. I really hated to take these petunias down. I just couldn't believe how big these got in these baskets. It was crazy. I never liked these white hanging baskets. These beautiful petunias covered them up, but the pansies won't. I decided to buy some spray paint and just paint them a terracotta color, and that way the pots would kind of disappear into the brick, hopefully. And I decided to just stuff these full of pansies and violas and just see what it looks like. Some of these are supposed to be kind of trailing, and so I hope that these look really pretty later when they start growing. I do like how these pots turned out after I spray painted them. I never really do pillows on the front porch, but I've always wanted to. I bought these pillow covers from Amazon, and I have some 18-inch pillows that I never use, so I just decided to use those for the inserts. I'll link them down below in the description. I'm really happy with how they turned out. They're so cute. I also got a new front doormat, and I really like this one. I got these jack-o'-lanterns at Home Depot. They have an orange light inside, and I can't wait to see them at night. These corn stalks and some of the pumpkins came from Circle N Dairy in Lindsay. We have a huge amount of trick-or-treaters on our street. I'm not even kidding. It's like a festival and it's so much fun. I'm hoping to do some videos so I can show you how much fun we have. Y'all, I have never been that good at decorating, and I really wanted to try hard this year and make my porch look really pretty for fall. I think this is a really good start. Next year, I could see me adding more. This whole process took several days, and in the last few photos, you'll see the entire porch. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video.